All right, good evening to everyone. And this is Edison Victorino, and I will be your host for this morning's knowledge. Okay, so actually, I'm one of the e-commerce 102 trainer for Fast Track. So I will be with Irene on November 17 and November 19, and until we end the e-commerce 102 Fast Track. And I know that most of you are so excited because today is Monday, early Monday, and after a long vacation that medyo nakakapagod naman magpahinga, right? So, here we are, papasok na ng office, and I know that some of you has already missed Facebook, doing Facebook because of a long vacation. Okay? Now, to give you an idea who I am, so what I'm doing here, why am I speaking? So, technically, I'm an internet marketing consultant for small and medium enterprise, an e-commerce trainer, a software engineer, and of course, a technology entrepreneur. Now, I have my own e-commerce platform, so I sell digital products such as game cards, prepaid loads. So, here's my website. So, the one that you are seeing on the screen. So mymobilepro.net, and I also have a blog. So I use my blog as a marketing tool, sevenfigurehomebusiness.com. So wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. We will proceed with our topic for this morning. So, I know that most of you, malapit na magpasko, are thinking of some rackets, are thinking of some business. So, I don't want to say racket eh. Sorry for the word, no. Why not racket? Because it's not a long term, it's only a short term. Now, what I want to talk about this morning is a long term, okay? So, why you should start your own online store. But before we proceed with that idea, the why, I will give you an idea that let's proceed first with these four types of people. Okay, so we have an employee, an aspiring entrepreneur, an entrepreneur for business expansion, and of course, unemployed. So wala na namang iba dito, di ba? I know kung hindi ka empleyado, you're unemployed, right? Kung hindi ka entrepreneur, pwedeng empleyado ka or unemployed. Okay, now, these four types of people, merong downfall. Okay, now, if you are an employee, so you're an employer, right? Okay. So one of the downfall, okay, the good thing about being an unemployed person is that you have a regular salary, you have a regular pay, especially if you are earning a six-figure in a company. Of course, hindi ka magre-resign, hindi ka rin aalis, right? Because you know you are secured. You have your SSS, your health card, right? And of course, you have a 1530 salary. Okay. Pero kaya lang, the sad part is not all employees are earning six figure. Okay? So there are some only earning 20,000, 30, 40, 50, and some are earning 100, 200. What if you are an employee who's not earning a six figure? So, here's the downfall. Every morning, actually, when you are an employee, you are not actually working 9 hours, right? So, you have 8 hours and 1 hour for the break. That's why, sa loob ng office, you are spending 9 hours. But actually, you are not spending 9 hours. You are actually spending 12 to 16 hours. Kasi, pag gising mo sa umaga, maliligo ka, kakain ka, babiyahe ka. At pag biyahe mo, matatraffic ka. Right? So, kapag na-traffic ka, what will you do? Maiinis ka. Di ba? Lalo na kung 2 minutes na lang, malilate ka, tapos ang layo pa, especially if you are working in the south area like Makati. So if you are an employee, maybe you also hate your boss, right? So if kung friend ka ng boss mo, then that's good. Kaya lang, most of the time, most of employee really hate their boss, okay? So, here's what I've learned in this life, okay? Hindi na ako papaligoy-ligoy pa. I've learned that do not lay all your eggs in one basket. So, if maybe you are a six-figure employee, but the question is, you don't own the company, okay? So, you're not the owner. So, tendency, pwede ka ring, kapag nagkaroon ng retrenchment, pwede kang mawala. Pwede kang mawala ng trabaho. Okay, so So, dito papasok yung importance ng starting a business. So, most of the people are thinking, okay, starting a business, what business will I start? Ano nga business? Do I need a big capital? Okay, I have a good news. So, when you start an online business, nowadays, the good news is, sorry medyo magulo. My good news is, nowadays, the internet is offering new road of opportunities. That's the internet. So you can start with an online business with almost low capital. So go with online business. So that's the point why I'm also doing this blog, okay? This video blog. So another type of person, let's go with an aspiring entrepreneur. So from employment, so maybe naghanap na ng ibang avenue how to make money. So although I'm not saying that you quit your job, no? So what I'm saying is to create another ways to make money. So doon naman pupunta yung tinatawag na aspiring entrepreneurs. So maybe you have this product, hindi mo alam kung paano ibebenta dahil bago ka lang sa entrepreneurship. Okay, so kung bago ka, I am welcoming you. Welcome to the business world. So if you are an aspiring entrepreneurs, ang problema mo naman, anong product ang ibebenta mo? Or maybe if you have a product, that's good. Kaya lang, most of the people who wants to go in business, walang idea kung anong product ang ibebenta. Pangalawa, they do not know how to market. Right? So, I have another good news to you. The internet is offering a cheap way or a low-cost way to market your product and to find new products. So, that's a good thing about starting an online business. That's why you should go to start your own online business. So, another thing, if you are already an entrepreneur and looking for a business expansion, I have a good news. So, maybe ayaw mo nang gumastos sa ads. Mahal, di ba? Magkano magpa-ads with below the line or above the line? How much that? You need to spend millions of peso. What if you are only a small and medium enterprise? You don't want to waste your money on advertising na hindi mo alam kung maganda ba ang return or not. So imagine mo can you imagine like the big brands, McDonald's, Jollibee, or Safeguard, or any brand, how much are they spending on advertising? If you are not a big fish like them, what will happen to you? Right? So there's another way on how you can expand your business. Go with the online business. So, another type of person naman, okay, dito na tayo. Yung mga hindi makapag-apply, yung mga fresh graduate, yung mga estudyante na nakagraduate lang. So, most of the time, after 6 months or 1 year pa sila nagkakatrabaho. Okay, I'm suggesting that you go with online business. Okay, the good thing about starting an online business, it has a very low startup cost. Sobrang low, sobrang minimal. When I started my online business, in fact, wala akong masyadong ginastos. Okay, siguro, what I can say, maybe my 5 days salary is enough to start an online business. So eventually, this online business has become my bread and butter. That's why I have my mobilepro.net. That's my online business. So another thing, low overhead cost. Sa totoo lang, when you go into online business, ang pinaka-cost mo, the advertisement, or sometimes the virtual assistants or the people you are going to hire for your business. Pero imagine, wala kang kailangan bayarang malaking office, wala kang kailangang bayaran na sobrang laking warehouse. In fact, pwede ka magsimula sa loob ng bahay mo eh. Low overhead. It's a good thing about starting an online business. Pwera na lang kung talagang sobrang laki na ng online business mo, like Amazon. You know, if you're familiar with Amazon.com, they all started in the garage. So imagine, that's a good thing about online business. And even Facebook is now a multi-billion dollar company. They just started sa loob ng boarding house. And most of the online business started saan? Sa loob ng bahay. So, very low overhead cost. So, the good thing about, I know, iisipin mo, wow, global market. Okay, global markets to sell at 24/7. Global market. Do you really need to spend a lot para maging global ka? Maybe. Yes. 30 years ago. 20 years ago. You need to spend a lot. You must have money to do global business, to have a global business. But this time, thanks to the internet, it offers new road of opportunity, especially to less fortunate people. It opens a new avenue to have a global online business that you will receive a payment 24/7. You can sell a product 24/7. That's good thing about starting an online business. And of course, a very powerful, fast, and efficient marketing and communication tool and medium. That's good thing about starting an online business. So, anyway, you want to know more on how you can successfully run your own online business? I want to give you a story of mine, okay, with experience. And sometimes I was thinking na sana kasama ko sana 3 to 4 years ago, yung mga taong kasama ko ngayon, especially in e-commerce, sana 4 years ago nakilala ko na sila. You know why? Okay. Because kung 3 years ago, ayan, nakilala ko na si Irene Jockner Bernardo 3 years ago, the people that I am with right now, maybe I saved a lot of money and I didn't do any trial and error. If you are going to run a business, I suggest go and find a mentor who will teach you how to run this business. Otherwise, you are going to waste money, tons of money. I'm not joking. Why? Because I experienced that. I wasted a lot of money doing trial and error on how I can start my online business. Then eventually it becomes an online. And now na naging online siya, actually I wasted a lot of money again. You know why? Because I don't have a mentor. I am doing trial and error all the time. Okay, I'm telling you, running a business, even it is an online, even na low cost lang yan, it's not a joke. You need to succeed on your business kahit na malit pa yan. Kasi even though na hindi ka magwe-waste sa sobrang laking peras, let's say hindi talaga malaki, I'm telling you, you are going to waste a lot of time doing experimenting, doing trial and error. So you need to be with someone on how to do it. Okay, I have a good news for you. That's why we are offering an intensive program. So we call it Fast Track. So what is Fast Track? Okay, so ganito, I will show you my screen. What is Fast Track? Okay, totally, Fast Track is a 9-session. Okay, it's a 9-session offshoot course that will teach you how to build an online business from the scratch, starting from minimal to almost zero capital. So we created this program, especially for students, for employees, for people who wants to start their own business, and especially for entrepreneurs who wants to expand their online business. Okay, ito yung mga matutunan mo, okay? You can visit us on this website for some details, 7figurehomebusiness.com/fasttrack. Here's what you're going to learn. Ito, on session 1, we will teach you market discovery and product creation. So what is this all about? Okay, market discovery. Okay, hindi lang pwedeng may naisip tayong product. We are going to do some market research. If the product will it sell, and how will it sell? Okay? And another way, kung wala ka talagang totally maisip na product, we can teach you how to create your own product. That's for session 1. So we have the schedule here and another schedule here. So payment facilities and logistics. I'll be honest, I'm not good with logistics because I'm more into digital deliveries. Okay, now, one of my partner, Miss Irene Jockner Bernardo. So, eto siya, ayan. So, she is really good on this. Okay, she is known in the Philippines as the #1 e-commerce specialist. So you can read her profile dito sa address na to, who really she is, and she has her own her TV interview in US. So I think this is Jim Griffith. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so for session 3, so we will do a whole day workshop at Shaw Boulevard. So we will teach you a step-by-step procedure on how you can set up and manage your own e-commerce platform. Now, eto ha, when you are setting up an e-commerce platform, unang iisipin mo, nako, mahal, wala akong pambayad ng IT, wala akong pambayad ng programmer. Actually, nowadays, you can do it. We have a procedure that even a non-techie person can do it. So, session number 4. So, logistics, actual posting, and affiliate merchants. Okay, so we will teach you how to price your product correctly. Kasi mamaya baka presyo tayo ng presyo. Puro gross na lang pala. Wala nang net, okay? So, meron tayong technique. So, digital marketing. So, we will use Pinterest. So, if you have a Pinterest account, try it. Go to withpinterest.com. Okay, for marketing. So, then, session 6, classified ads posting, video marketing, and autoresponder tool. This is about a technique, a strategy on how you can build customers, how you can acquire new customers. So we are going to teach you how to do that. I know that some people are not into sales, some people are not good in selling. Now, I have a good news. In the internet, you don't need to sell face to face. Okay? So, there is a strategy what we call attraction marketing. We will teach you how you are going to attract people. So, plus we are giving away some bonuses. So, eto siya. You can check it out. So, I think we don't have too much time. Hindi ko kailangan ayokong masyadong humabang usapan natin. So, because this is only a video blog. Okay, so I don't want to pitch too much. So, okay, so let's proceed. So, how much will this course cost you? Okay, participation fee for 9 session is only 5,888. Is it expensive or not? Okay, I'll give you an idea. Okay, if you are going to enroll in any university just to learn entrepreneurship or to learn how to set up your business, or maybe na lang you try with other mga schools na nag-offer ng mga crash course about IT. Do you have any idea how much is their course? Sige, go to Mega Mall, go check it out on informatics, go with Meralco Foundation Institute. They will charge you 12,000 for also 9 sessions. But it is not setting up a business. It's just only a technical skill. What we are going to teach here in Fast Track, it's about entrepreneurship, how to set up your business, and technical knowledge, how you can execute your business. So imagine mo, if you are going to spend 588 and divided with 9 sessions, you are only spending 654 pesos. So ulitin ko ha, 5,800, ayan, 5,888. Divide mo sa 9 sessions. Tama, 654 per sessions. Too much ba yun? Some people are spending on food. Okay, that's the amount of food, right? Diba? And just to eat, okay? Some people are spending this in fun. Okay, so they go to the gym and pay. So, a Muay Thai gym, a boxing gym, they pay 500, okay? So, 600. So, this time, it's about investing on yourself. Because, my question is, what you are going to do with that amount? Are you going to waste it? Is it wise na basta i-waste na lang natin for anything? Or, is it wise to invest it on yourself? I want to leave a message before I leave, okay? Before I end up this video blog. A lot of people are going around looking for something to invest, right? They go to this kind of investment, they join different investment programs. What I'm telling you, those investments are nothing if you are not going to invest on yourself first. How can you how, how can you drive a Ferrari? Maybe you have a money to drive a Ferrari, to drive a Audi R8. You have the you have the money to buy those cars. But the problem is you don't know how to drive. Minus pogi points. Okay? Minus pa-cute points. So, if you know how to drive, you can drive any type of cars. The same thing here. If you invest on yourself, you can make another money and money and money. How do we make money? It's because of the skills that we have, the skills that we acquired from the past, and the skills that we are currently acquiring through trainings, okay, through experience. Okay? Now, I want you to leave something na may papakita ko sa inyo. Here it is. Okay. If you want to know more about what is e-commerce 102 Fast Track, so I'm encourage you to attend our free webinar. When I say webinar, it's a virtual seminar. So this is a free. If you want to know about what is this? How can I start my business? Para malinawagan kayo. Okay. We have one on November 5. So 8 o'clock, November 8, 8 o'clock p.m., November 12, 8 o'clock p.m. All you need to do is to click the link above. If this is posted on Facebook, just need to click the link above. So, may binibigay ako link sa taas. Usually, it's from bit.ly/blah blah blah. So, depend on the date. So later on, we will have a webinar because today is November 5. So tonight we are going to have a webinar. So just click the link above if you are on Facebook. And if you are on YouTube, so maybe you're seeing this on YouTube, just click the link below so that you can register for our free webinar. This is a virtual seminar, no venue for this one. Okay? So if you want to get more information, so I encourage you to like our Facebook. It's facebook.com/ecommerce102 because there are lots of information that you can find on this fan page. So if you are an existing entrepreneur for business expansion, most of the time we are posting different strategies on how you can market your products, your services online. And if you are aspiring entrepreneur, so you can find some invaluable information that will help you out. So just check out the fan page. Okay? So I think this is all for this morning, and I am signing off. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you. Bye.